Ever wondered what's inside your financial fingerprint? The one that lenders, landlords, and even potential employers secretly look at to decide if you're a good risk? It's your credit report, and one of the major players in creating this report is Transunion. But how do you actually see what's on your report? That's what we're diving into today. Let's break it down. Your credit report is like a financial resume, detailing your history with money. It shows things like how you handle credit cards, loans, and even late payments. And Transunion is one of the 3 major credit bureaus that collect this information and provides it to lenders. So, why does it matter? Well, a good credit score can unlock better interest rates on loans, easier apartment approvals, and even job opportunities. A bad one? Let's just say it can be a major roadblock. So, how do you get your hands on this crucial document? There are a few ways to access your Transunion credit report. Let's start with the most common and free option. Option 1, annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website authorized by the federal government to provide free credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus, including Transunion. You can request a free report once every 12 months from each bureau. It's a simple process, just provide some personal information to verify your identity. Option 2, Transunion's website. Transunion itself offers free access to your credit report through their website. You'll need to create an account and verify your identity. Once you're in, you can access your report and other credit-related information. Option 3, Credit Monitoring Services. While not free, credit monitoring services provide continuous access to your credit report and often offer additional features like fraud alerts and identity theft protection. Some popular services offer free trials, so you can check them out before committing. Important tips. Once you have your credit report in hand, it's crucial to review it carefully. Look for any errors or inaccuracies. If you find something wrong, dispute it immediately. Also, keep in mind that your credit score is calculated based on the information in your report. Understanding the factors that impact your score can help you improve it over time. Now, let's talk about what to do if you're a victim of identity theft. You can place a fraud alert or credit freeze on your Transunion report, which can help prevent unauthorized access to your credit. Remember, your credit report is a valuable tool for managing your financial health. By understanding how to access and review it, you can take steps to protect your identity and improve your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.